So, let's make a random Roblox game, yeah? So we start by doing this thing that's called placing a purse. You click this button, and then you scale it out. Okay, here is our base plate. Let's make it white. And then you look for images and you see what's popular. Most people will like, so you should just put what's popular. Now everything here in my opinion is trash. What you really want is skibbity toilets. This will really help your game. Now the skibbity toilet might hide from you, it's a bit shy. So you have to make sure it's where it's meant to be. That's the top. Yes, this will work just fine. So move the spawn plate onto that. Boom, it's absolutely perfect. Now, next of all, you want a script. If you don't know how to script, try your best. So, first we're going to name some things. Let's start by making a table, because I love tables. So local stuff equals table, and in the table we can have Joe equals instance dot new. Now we could do player, but Joe is not a human. We don't call Joe a human, so we're just going to say that he is a part. To us, Joe is just a part. He is not a human, and we don't have to treat him as one. And for company, for extra production, we will have... I don't know what I just did, but I guess now we have JoJo. Not a JoJo reference though. And they can be a part too, I guess. Maybe there's something else that they can be. Yeah, they can be pants. And I don't know what I'm doing. What happened? Oh jeez. Okay, and finally we have ooflings, and ooflings can be a player because he is a human after all. Now, for I worker, 'cause these all work in pairs. Stuff do worker dot parent equals a workspace. We want our workers to go into the workspace, and a more accurate word for this will be children, because as you'll see here, we'll be finding the first child. So we'll have to find this and make this children. So, for each child, we're going to be making some money for them. And this money can be a number value. And we can directly put it into our child, so we can stuff some money into our child. And the value of our money will be about one. We could give $1 to each child. It's not the dollar symbol. Oh jeez. Where am I going? You know what? you can ignore that. And while true to task.wait. If you use just wait, you should quit Roblox. 0, we can wait 1 second. And then work, we can do this again. But instead we'll replace this worker dot, I forgot to name the money. That's my fault. Money dot name equals salary. Worker dot salary equals, no, plus equals 1. You're gonna be getting 1 salary. And if the workers, no, that's not workspace, stupid studio. If the worker's salary value is greater than $10, let me just make sure that you idiots know that this is a dollar. Then, now we've 2 methods of how to solve this. First of all, we can do a worker, stupid. Okay, so Roblox decided to fart in my plans. So we're just going to say, okay, I have a solution. We're going to run this in the console, and this should just fix everything for us. Forgot what we could run all of this in the console, and that should let us see what we want to see. And I got an error because it was Roblox Studio's fault. Okay, so we're not allowed to create players, it would seem. So we're just going to change this to a parts operation. I'm operating all the parts. Okay, and as you see, I think this is me. That's me. That's exactly what we wanted. I was not expecting anything else. So for some reason we're going to bring this over here. We're going to call this show. And Joe forgot to get a salary, so we're gonna put this in here manually. Choose a buddy, use 0 buddy. Workspace dot show dot buddy dot value plus equals 1. If workspace dot show dot buddy dot value is greater or equal to $10, then we have 2 methods. Workspace dot show remove. This will basically make Joe go to the void. This works pretty well. This is a sufficient method of removing Joe if he gets too much money. But to be safe, I recommend you use destroy, and that way Joe is gone forever and there's no hope of him coming back. So I'll put here print workspace dot show dot money dot value. And when you click play, ignore that name, I honestly just clicked on a random place I own. 7, 8, 9, 10, and Joe is now dead. Apparently, see, even the game knows that Joe is gone. Joe is no longer in our workspace, and that is good for us. Script. Roy will stop that error in case you don't like red, even though red is a cool color. Now, to make this more realistic, you might want Joe to be an actual person. So, here, it's definitely not my avatar. This is Joe. You can put this in here. And this should be our final product. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and Joe is gone. Now, some finishing touches. You just want to add more Skibidi Toilet to your game. It will help your game get all types of players. You will also want background music. We'll just see what happens when I search Skibidi. That's not quite what I'm looking for.
I am reporting you right now.
Don't know who that is.
Уважаемые пассажиры, электропоезд следует до станции.
Whatever that means, we can put that in sound service for everybody to hear. And you know what? I'm sure this will work too. And then you want to pop that on looped. Playing equals true. And a bonus tip that I would suggest is just adding guns. This gun has 8 scripts. Now, one thing about Roblox is using free models that have scripts is always a good idea, because it helps your game a lot and it's never bad for your game. So, this should be enough. Your game should now be complete to play.
Уважаемые пассажиры, электропоезд следует до станции. Уважаемые пассажиры, электропоезд следует до станции. Уважаемые пассажиры, электропоезд следует до станции. Уважаемые пассажиры, электропоезд следует